Have you ever felt lost during a conversation about school or studying English? What does it mean to pull an all-nighter or catch up on homework? Let's make school conversations easy today. We will look at 10 useful phrases and collocations that native speakers use every day in class or in study situations. Great, let's begin with the mini quiz question. Which of these mean to study very late into the night? A. Take notes. B. Do well in a subject. C. Pull an all-nighter. And D. Pay attention in class. Which of these means to study very late into the night? We'll reveal the correct answer at the end of the lesson, so stay tuned. Now, how about those phrases and collocations? 1. Take notes. This means to take down important information during a lesson or lecture. Let's look at an example. The students were quiet and taking notes during the chemistry lecture. Do you take notes during your English lesson? Two, hand in an assignment. This means to submit your homework or coursework to the teacher. For example, you must hand in the assignment by Friday at 5 p.m. And number 3, catch up on work or catch up on homework. This means to do work that you missed or are behind on. Let's look at an example sentence. After being sick, I had to catch up on 2 weeks of classwork. Have you ever had to catch up on classwork? Number 4, pass or fail an exam. This means to succeed or not to succeed in a test. Example, he passed his English exam but failed maths. Number 5, do well in a subject. This means to perform successfully in a particular class or subject. How about an example in this one? She's doing really well in science this year. Are you doing well with your English? Number 6, skip class. That means to miss a lesson on purpose. This is a little bit informal, a phrase. Some students skip class to watch the football game. 7, get good grades or get good marks. This means to achieve high scores on assignments or tests. For example, you'll need to study hard to get good grades in university. And number 8, prepare for an exam. It means to study and get ready for a test. For example, I'm preparing for my IELTS exam next month. And what test are you preparing for? Number 9, pay attention in class. This means to focus and listen carefully during a lesson. It's important to pay attention in class if you want to succeed. And number 10, pull an all-nighter. This means to stay up all night studying or working. Example here, I pulled an all-nighter before my history final. Have you ever had to pull an all-nighter before? I'm sure you have. Let's have a look at the final quiz. Which of these means to study very late into the night? A, to take notes. B, to do well in a subject. C, to pull an all-nighter. D, pay attention in class. Which of these means to study very late into the night? That's right, it's C, pull an all-nighter. So that was the quiz question right from the beginning. Now, how about the last one? Which phrase means to listen and focus carefully during a lesson? A, skip class. B, pay attention in class. C, prepare for an exam. And D, get good grades. Which phrase means to listen and focus carefully during a lesson? That's right, it's B, pay attention in class. Awesome. Which of these school phrases do you use most often? Try using one in a sentence and post it in the comments. I'll reply. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. We'll be diving into powerful phrasal verbs you can use in academic English. Remember to keep practicing. See you next time.